So we'll see the next question, Doctor.
Hi ma'am, I am Rijas. I am doing MC at SNGist. Everyone's dream is to have a beautiful smile. What are the ways to have beautiful smile?
Just asked about the beautiful smile.
Beautiful smile. Beauty is a concept. Okay, what we are expecting or what others are seeing from us, what others want from us. Beautification of teeth means some people, for them the gap between the teeth is they didn't like to be like that. They want to fill it. In some persons, color of the teeth. For some persons, alignment of the teeth. For some, the shape of the teeth. Depending upon the what we want, we should have to correct accordingly. Other thing is that there's a rule of golden proportions there. According to what God made some proportions for beautifying each object. That depending upon the practitioner. All other things, beautification in other means for satisfying the customer. For that we can do stain is there, means we can do whitening.
Yes.
The non-vital teeth also, it will be black, more yellow in color,
Pigmented.
dark in color. That also we can do root canal treatment, crowning. For diastema or gap in between the tooth, we can do filling, veneering, everything like that to correct that type of things. That depending upon the what patient needs and according to the decision of the consultant.
Doctor, how to get a white tooth?
White tooth is naturally for teeth, the color of the teeth, enamel that develops from outer enamel is from outer layer of the skin. That means depending upon the skin color, that is also a misconception. I want more white teeth means depending on the skin color of the skin. If skin is white means that we can see foreigners, white people, their teeth will be yellow in color.
Okay.
For Negroes, white in color. For Indians, medium. That also depending on the color of the skin. Even though we can do whitening procedure with using laser, then teeth whitening gels or the teeth whitening procedure. Now we are having advanced laser technology for using for making that smile whiter.
Doctor, we have got a mail. I'm an 18-year-old college student. I want to know about laser treatment and what all can be corrected with the laser treatment. Laser treatment is a newer modality, right, Doctor?
Laser treatment. What we are using is a diode type of laser. We can do laser treatment for, especially for gum corrections. That means so many people are worried, unhappy with the color of the gum. That means dark color, black color of the gum. We can make that dark color to red, normal red, coral pink. The real color of the gum is what we are telling is coral pink color. The other thing is that we can do crown lengthening. If the tooth crown is very small, fractured, we can increase the size of the crown by reducing the gum. By that we can lengthen the crown and we can save the tooth. Then other use is that we can use it for reducing pain of after ulcer.
Ulcers in the mouth, okay. Mouth ulcers, yes.
We can use laser for laser-assisted RCTs, root canal treatments, to reduce the bacterial count of root canals. Then we can use laser for gum corrections, bacterial count reduction of the gums. Then here what we are using is diode type of soft lasers. Soft lasers can be used only for soft tissue surgeries, but in the world they are using hard tissue lasers also that can be used for surgeries, even for surgeries, cavity cuttings. Cavity cutting means removing the decay. By that we can conserve the tooth structure. Just we can remove the carious tooth only. Then for surgeries we can use tongue surgeries. Then like that crown cutting, like that. In that case also we can use. In India, we are using only now just started using soft tissue lasers. That also not in everywhere, in some limited to specific hospitals only. Because the thing is that we should have to train the doctors first for using the laser. Because We cannot use the laser as a instrument, because we should have to study it, the theory and everything like that. Then only we can use, because depending upon the patient, we should have to change the settings, everything. For Indian patients, we should have to reduce the setting. For Germans and all white people, we should have to change the settings, like that. We should have to change the settings for each. That's the main problem. What we are facing now is that even the doctors are worried about using laser. Somebody will use it just like a toy, but it's not also advisable.
It's not a fun.
Because we should learn it first. What we are planning, we should have to start a teaching program for the doctors before starting this laser. But now and all, we are trying for that also. The cost for whitening procedure is nearly up to 6,000 to, it will come up to 6,000 to 7,000 rupees.
Is it only for one sitting, or?
We can do it for one sitting depending upon the need of the patient. If wants more whitening, means better one sitting, half an hour sitting is enough for normal whitening procedure. For other surgical procedure also it will take half an hour, just 10-15 minutes. For after ulcer correction just 5 minutes. Then other surgeries it will take half an hour to just like that. But main advantage with laser is that everybody had a misconception. It is even for the doctors, it is a modified cautery. It is not a modified cautery, because cautery working on the principle of heat. In this case, it is not using, it is on the principle of coagulation of proteins. Okay. Then in that way, it is different from cautery.
So doctor, you have explained very well about the common dental problems. It was really informative. Thank you so much. So guys, all of you must have understood that dental problems are never any fun. Most of them can be easily prevented. So write to us. Our email ID is youthdiaryroseball@gmail.com. So see you next week. Till then, bye.